householders, my lord. The petitioner 1 and 2 are the matter. So maternal uncle and maternal aunt, my lord. The respond.
Additional people. They are not the members of the family. It is against accused number 3 to 5.
Yes, DVC. Lordship, this is a DVC case, Lordship. The respondent, other respondents.
Lordship, kindly hear me, my lord. They are not at the family members, my lord, and another has to, my lord.
Yeah, I understood, not family. That is the reason I asked. Yeah, for the proceeding. List on 28th November. And notice to respond to take one person.
Lordship, or else, Lordship may direct for early disposal.
What early disposal? Yes, there are no way concerned. Listen.
This is.
Why?
DVC matters only they have to go for an appeal. There is a judgment of Justice Shivashankar stating
that quash petition is not maintained.
Not maintained.
They have to
Only
file.
appeal can be filed. Only we can give for an early disposal. Already before Justice Simulata Ma'am and Justice.
Okay, you raise the legal position. According to them, criminal petition is quash petition is not maintainable as it is a DVC matter.
So lots of in a DVC matter when the matter is offences has been committed, my lord. Within 1 year they have to file the DVC, my lord. So my lord, the petitioner. Respondent filed another 488 case. Says, my lord, in that, my lord, no allegation leveled against the present petition.
Okay, however, get that.
Your lordship, kindly charge it as a file.
It's not maintainable in DVC. You get that legal position. We'll examine. You to examine whether criminal quash petition is maintainable or not in DVC matters. You list it
Yes,
on
according to 468
petition
of
patch can be filed. Bombay High Court has given
Yes,
a
Lord.
writ petition.
writ petition. Bombay High Court.
No, writ petition, not criminal petition, she says.
Lordship, according to section 31 of the DVC, my lord, all proceedings must be followed by the CRPC, my lord. That is the
When she's raising, everything will be clear. We'll place the legal position. Which day? 29th, shall I say? 29th, Tuesday. We'll list it on 29. Note down and place the legal position.
Well, that is 81 matter.
She has given the position. What are your offenses?
This is a petition filed challenging the conversion of the STC NIQ to CCNI. But the impugn order is on page number 26. Man.
Page 26. Take out notice to respondent.
Well, in this case, the court has stated that there are 4 connecting matters between the same parties. Peruse the defense statement and there are 4 cases. But in the defense statement, no single plea of 4 cases has been raised. That is one point.
Okay.
Second point,
Take out notice.
Marat, interim stay may be given. Connected 4 matters are there, my lord. And the circular of the Honorable High Court.
Okay, after hear them unless not on the legal position. No, we'll list it on short notice, shall I give?
No, because the lower court has posted the case on 19th of this month.
Okay, till that day we'll give it. 6th November, stay off for the proceedings.
Well,
November 6th.
81, 83,
81,
83, 84 and 85.
83, 84. All similar matters.
Yes, yes. Same parties.
Notice to respondent, stay off for the proceedings. 6th November.
Obliged. Interim
6th
stay.
is sufficient for notice.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, 6th November.
Interim stay. Obliged.
may please. So quashing of the charge sheet, the parties have settled out of the court.
You are representing.
Is innovating, direct the parties to appear before this legal session authority.
So filed application.
Yes, year 3 and 4 of combo.
Court.
Yes. They will
Which date
appear.
you will go?
Honor before yours means honor before yours.
On or before which date?
4th November.
4th November and
Listed.
Secretary Legal Service Committee shall furnish a report by 12th November.
Yes.
Yes, next.
83 Darshan, 84 Srikan,
86.
81, 83.
Ganesh.
Yes, Lord. The petitioner
No, what about
is, I'm in 85.
85?
I'm in 85.
She
Item
missed
number
out.
85 Srikan, Kartik Reddy.
My Lord, I'm A3. I'm not a public servant. The FIR is with regard to section 7, 12 and 13 of the Prevention of Corruption
You
Act.
commanded 12.
I command at 12, 7 years and below, my Lord. No section above 7 years has been is applicable to me, my Lord. Even section 13 for which 10 years of punishment is there. 12 is abatement, only 7 years. It can be referred to. My prayer itself is for 35-3 notice.
I'll get instructions, Your Lordship.
Seeking only 35 to be.
My prayer itself is for 35-3. And Arnesh Kumar.
Gone to below 7 years. She's coming under 12, section 12. Where the
But that is not applicable to TC Act, my lords. Arnesh Kumar judgment itself is not applicable.
I'm saying section 12 of TCA.
Arnesh Kumar judgment itself is not
That is
applicable.
not applicable.
No,
TC
I have at least 30 judgments, orders which have been granted under Prevention of Corruption Act 41.
That is
notices have
different
been
thing.
granted.
But prima facie case, your lordships,
No, he's seeking only 35(3).
But-
Issue notice, he says he has judgment.
lordship may
Multiple
kindly,
judgments, my lord, even-
no. For a moment, if lordship may kindly recollect, it was about 3 days back, I have argued a bail petition before your lordships, in which A4, my lord, the allegations was with regard to around the same petitioner, I believe,
No.
out of same crime.
What is same thing? What is the allegation?
That-
I'm A3. The allegation is that A1, while working as a road transport officer in the
Yes, your
District
lordship.
Transport Office, was running a racket for collecting bribe. I'm A3. I'm son of A1. I have not even been in talking
Yes,
terms
your
with him for the past 3 years, merely because I'm his son, and also because some WhatsApp chat was found
This is
between.
son and nephew.
Yes, your
Yes,
lordship.
yes, my lord. Son and
Now
nephew.
this, he is the son, your lordships.
No.
Nikhil or somebody else.
Except for my lord, extrajudicial confession of A2 and some WhatsApp messages from me.
What is the order?
2 crore rupees,
What
lordship.
is the order passed?
Lord, asking the concerned petitioner to surrender before the court.
My lord, that is bail. That is different jurisdiction altogether. This is 482. I have judgments, my
No,
lord.
your lordship may not.
No,
Lordship may.
that is fit away.
Yes, your lordship.
Yes.
Now this is quash petition.
This is a quash petition. All the sections are. My lord,
Lordship
I
may
have
kindly-
judgments. I have judgments in that regard.
request, humble request, your lordship. No.
Exactly similar facts and circumstances, my lord. For instance, if, for example, the first order may be seen on page number 1, my lord. On page number 1, it says, this criminal petition, may I read, my lord?
Last paragraph.
No, in the first paragraph on page number 1, my lord. At the bottom are page numbers. This criminal petition is filed under section 482 CRPC to quash the proceedings in FIR number so and so pending on the file of CBI Anti-Corruption Bureau Police Station, Hyderabad. The petitioners herein are accused number 2 and 3 in the said crime. The offences alleged in the, against the petitioners are under sections 471, 468 and 420 read with 120B IPC and section 13.2 read with 13.1D of the Prevention of Corruption Act. The allegation here was private parties have defrauded the bank, created multiple identities and siphoned off about 4.82 crore rupees is the allegation here, my lord. And then
Coming to the 18th, 17th, 18th paragraph.
yes, my lord, 18th paragraph, it says, in view of the fact that punishment prescribed for the offences alleged against, yes,
Below 7 years.
yes, my lord, and even other matters also.
My lord, if the same thing is brought to the concerned court below, the same will be considered.
May I show one judgment, my lord? Page number 22, my lord. Page number 22 is a one-page order from this honorable court. Exact same sections, my lord. Even section 12 is mentioned clearly. Page number 22. Petitioner, may I read, my lord? Petitioner accused has filed this petition under section 438 of the CRPC seeking anticipatory bail on the file of Anti-Corruption Bureau, Hyderabad, registered for offences under section 13, 7 and 12, my lord, of Prevention of Corruption Act, along with 120B and 420 read with 34. Para 4, Learned Special Public Prosecutor appearing for ACB has submitted fresh notice under section 41A of CRPC will be sent to the petitioner in the prescribed format. 5. Hence, in view of the above, this criminal petition is dismissed. However, ACB officials are directed to issue fresh notice under section 41A of CRPC to the petitioner in prescribed format as per judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court, Arnesh Kumar. Multiple other matters are there is nothing in Arnesh Kumar judgment that says it is applicable only to IPC or BNS. It is applicable to special acts also. And my lord, the Satyendra Kumar judgments until judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court, my lord, last Friday, final date has been granted for all high courts to comply with it. I have attached that judgment also, in which it has been categorically held, no matter what act it is referring to. If the punishment is 7 years or below, the procedure under 41A or now 35(3) has to be necessarily followed.
Let my friend show that.
I have it.
No matter whatever.
Yes,
Wording
I'll
is-
show that. I'll show that. No, I can't really go back to it. I don't have that eidetic memory.
No.
Page number 66 is that judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court.
You have issued or not? 41.
No, my lords, he is absconding, my lords. He is not responding to phones, and that is the whole case, my lords.
May I say one
My
thing?
lord, this is
Surprise
happening,
check happened
my
on
lord.
28th of May.
Lordships would appreciate.
August FIR is registered. No action is taken in between. Suddenly now, my lord, there are other things at consideration here which I cannot say because there is no proof. But what I've learned is between A1 and the Inspector of Police, a heated conversation had occurred on 25th of May when they came for a surprise check and nothing was found. No, not one rupee of tainted
We
liquor
are
has
in
been found.
matter
But
is-
normally what happens in ACB cases, my lord, wad of currency will be laced with sodium carbonate. The employee's hand will be
No, but this is a case not having, not possessing.
Sudden surprise check.
It's already transferred into account.
that they'll have to come up, my lord, after investigation. I'm fully willing to cooperate. And even if I'm convicted, maximum 7 years only
No, your
punishment.
lordships.
I have not been in talking terms with my father for the past 3 years. This came as a surprise to me. I'm a doctor by
We have
profession, into
telephone
real
chats
estate.
and other things. Your lordships would appreciate that telephone chats, WhatsApp chats and other things. I have already filed before your lordships in other case. Lordship may not.
If a 35(3) notice is given, I'll cooperate. How long do they want me to keep being
The
absconding?
person who is not appearing before the concerned investigation officer for the past
He
1.5
has
No
to
months.
notice.
He has to come.
I'll appear. It's my duty to appear. But if a notice is given, I'll appear, my lord.
Lordship may not.
And if they do arrest me, it will be an irregular
Very
arrest.
short order. He has to appear before the investigating officer. Thereafter, he has to serve notice, to which he has to give an explanation. If you're not satisfied, again you have the remedy.
Yes,
To file an
they
application
can arrest
for
me
the
if I don't
concerned
cooperate, if I don't.
You will dispose them. 41.
Arnesh Kumar guidelines.
Yes, sir. Guidelines of Arnesh Kumar and he'll appear and
Yes.
officer has to issue notice.
Lordship may
Anyway,
record.
I'll
thank you
appear.
so much.
Absolutely.
No, no, I'll leave it here, Lordship. Lordship may record my submission.
Yes. What I should record is submission? What I should record? I said I heard and in view of the offences are less than 7 years, the
7 years.
specific allegation against him on which where the section 12 is that right?
Yes.
Where the petition section 12 is applicable, which is less than 7 years. So and so guidelines and issue notice.
But I have also argued that he's been absconding for the past 2 months.
I have judgment in that regard, my lord, but may not be necessary.
Please abstain. Unless you appear now, how are you going to issue? The order is.
No,
to-
that was my submission, I said. Yes.
I'll appear, my lord. I'll appear this week.
It's going to appear. That is the reason. Next.
Copy by today, if I may request.
Copy today.
Yes.
Next.
Item number 86, regarding Sujan Rao Attori.
Yes, my lord, in this quash petition, my lord, I am seeking suspension of the operation of the order passed by Learned Trial Court, my lord. The respondents has suppressed the information and filed a writ petition before this honorable court. And Justice Vijay Reddy Garu has passed a direction to the trial court in writ petition. However, I have filed a detailed counter and the copy is also there. Now, my lord, but
What is the
basic
order in the receipt?
writ petition, the honorable court directed the trial court to receive the application of the accused who was absconded to US without following the procedure, and the police has investigated and LOC has been issued. Lookout circular he ignored and already escaped to USA. Basing on that, my LOC is under pending before the DC, Deputy Commissioner of Police. Now, my lord, whatever that direction by the honorable court, the trial court has received the application, complied the conditions, simply 5 lakhs bond, surety bond. Basing on that, he again fly over to US. Now, my lord, in the trial court, petitioner is a de facto complainant. The land public prosecutor, without giving any information or any notice to the petitioner, who was the de facto complainant in crime number 531/23, simply the learned judge has passed an order suspending the LOC, which is highly illegal. That is where the crash
Now, where is the petitioner in the trial court?
Sorry, ma'am?
Petitioner and who is the de facto complainant?
Yes, my lord. He is
Where is
the
he now?
he is the petitioner in crash. He made a complaint before the
The
police.
respondent who is the accused in the trial court.
Yes, my lord.
Where is the
Now
amount?
he is in US.
Then what should be done?
No, again I want to revoke the LOC. Unless the LOC is not revoked, huge amounts were involved.
We will issue notice to
My lord, in the meantime, my lord, kindly direct the trial court to suspend the operation. 2 months time was given. I have, my lord, one request. We have already filed application in the trial court. It is likely to be come on 8th.
No, you're not understanding. LOC was issued. That was challenged by way of a writ petition. In view of that order, that person.
Trial court has accepted. Now I am- That is why,
Now,
my
if
lord.
I have to suspend that order.
Yes, this court is having discretionary power to suspend the operation of the learned trial court.
What is the difference? Now, we have come here, we were not given opportunity, it was suspended.
Yes.
Now, same